Hey guys, welcome back to the Corner Coffee YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through one of our holiday drinks, the Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Latte. We're making this a 12-ounce drink and it's got really great proportions and it's a quite delicious latte. So we are going to start with a little bit of our house-made vanilla syrup, which is a brown sugar vanilla, and we're going to add 5 grams to our mug. We just want a little bit of the sweetness from the vanilla to balance out the richness of the chocolate we're going to be adding. For this drink, we are using our new oat milk. This is from Minor Figures, and we're super excited to have this at Corner Coffee now. This is new to our menu, but this is going to be an oat milk specialty drink. It adds a little bit of oatiness to the drink, so it kind of tastes like an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. And we are going to weigh out 270 grams of the oat milk. And then we're going to be using the Ritual Chocolate drinking chocolate. This is a great chocolate. It does have some richness to it, but it's not super sweet. Really great chocolatey flavor. We're going to be adding 35 grams of this to our oat milk. So now that we have our chocolate in our milk, which we want to steam that all together because it's kind of hard to dissolve on its own, and it adds this like nice rich quality to the milk. And then we're going to get the espresso going. Now, because we did just steam all that chocolate in with our oat milk, you really want to make sure to wipe down the wand very well after this to get rid of all the chocolate. Give it a good purge to get rid of anything that's left in the steam wand as well. Now we'll add the espresso to our vanilla and pour in the chocolate oat milk. Now to top this off, and what really makes this drink interesting, we're going to be adding a little bit of black Hawaiian sea salt to the top. Now the key to this is you want to pour it, you just want a little bit on the latte, by the way. You just want to sprinkle it right above the surface so it doesn't sink, but it kind of stays afloat on top of the foam. So hopefully this works. And here we have our oatmeal chocolate chip latte.